Hello, this is my EDL 856 School Community Relations Mod 1 introduction video. Who am I? My name is Eric Blackburn. I'm a husband, a father, an influencer, an encourager, a traveler, and a builder. The top picture you see there is my family. We recently took some family photos. On the right, there's a picture of me traveling. My father and I flew up to Montana this summer and then drove a Jeep back that he purchased, so we were able to go through Yellowstone and see some awesome things there. And finally, a picture of my kids helping me. We built a bed for my daughter's American Girl doll she received for her birthday this last weekend, and they wanted to build that. I feel like I'm an influencer and an encourager of not only my own kids but children in general. I'm a fifth grade teacher at Burton Schools, which you'll find out on the next slide. And as 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 we read in the articles that go along with Module 1, it's important that we tell a story about ourselves rather than just simply stating who we are, and that was my attempt there. Where I work at Burton USD 369. There's a picture there at the top of our buildings. Interesting note is this building here on the right is an older building. It's over 100 years old, and we had earthquakes earlier this fall that struck the area and actually caused that building to now need to be demolished. And so we're treading waters there as we try and figure out what to do and how not to spend a tremendous amount of money on that process. I teach fifth grade here at Burton Schools. This is my 9th year. In addition to my classroom duties, I am on our redesign team. I'm involved in the PBL, curriculum, community engagement, things like that. I am our PD co-chair, and I am the fill-in administrator for our district and have been for the last 3 years. When I think of the importance of the communities, our school community relations and what we need quality communication. Both ways. We need to communicate with parents and community members. They need to communicate with us. We need transparency. Too often we kind of have things that are going on here within the building. We don't communicate it well, and then others aren't aware of what's going on as to why, and then that leads to some distrust. We need to invite the community to be involved in what we're doing, and we really need an ongoing partnership with them if we're going to best serve this community. If I think about increasing or improving my communication, I need to increase my presence in the community. Currently, they really only find me at the school. I'm not really involved in anything else. I don't live here. I live in a small town about 10 miles away, but I need to be around more. That'll make me more approachable, I believe. I need to reach out to parents more often, invite them into the classroom to be a part of what we are doing rather than just communicating via email and phone calls. As far as my communication with my admin, I feel like I have open communication with both. I've known them my entire career. When I was hired here, our high school and middle school, high school principal was a PE teacher, and he and I coached high school basketball together for 5 years. Our current superintendent and elementary principal, it's a 2-in-1 position. She happened to be our band instructor, and she and I have many connections that we bonded over. We lived in a small German town. Both of us come from military backgrounds. Our fathers are both in the Air Force. She lived in the same town that I did only about 30 years prior, so we have some great connections there. One thing I would say I could improve with my communication with them would be to encourage them to have tough communications with staff. So good luck to everybody this semester, and thank you for viewing my video.